The 2024 Honda Accord looks stunning, drives smooth, and promises everything, but real owners are saying something very different today. We reveal the truth behind this popular sedan. Thousands of people bought the 2024 Honda Accord this year, but some of them regret it. Before you spend $30,000+, watch this video until the end. Let's be fair, the 2024 Accord has a gorgeous redesign, a punchy turbocharged engine, and a cabin that feels more luxury than family sedan on paper. It's impressive. But here's where owners start complaining: the new Google-based infotainment system freezes, lags, and randomly restarts while driving. Honda has yet to release a permanent fix. Multiple owners report that Honda sensing the safety suite gives false alerts, brakes unexpectedly, and causes anxiety on highways. That's not a feature, that's a problem. Honda advertise is great fuel economy, but real-world owners are getting significantly lower numbers, especially in city driving. The hybrid version performs better, but costs more upfront. For a 2024 model, the cabin noise is surprisingly disappointing. At highway speeds, wind noise from the pillars and road noise from the tires is loud enough to interrupt phone calls. The white pearl paint, while beautiful, is reported to chip and scratch very easily. Owners say even small door dings leave deep marks. Clear coat quality feels thin for the price. Here's the money problem. Dealers are mocking up the 2024 Accord thousands over MSRP in many states. You're paying luxury car prices for a mid-size sedan. Is it worth it? Transmission hesitation. Some owners report a noticeable hesitation when accelerating from a stop. The CVT transmission feels sluggish in normal drive mode. Sport mode helps, but you shouldn't need it daily. Reliability question. Honda has a legendary reliability reputation, but with so many tech updates in 2024, long-term reliability is still unproven. Buying early means you're part of Honda's testing phase. To be fair, the 2024 Accord's turbocharged engine delivers real power. The suspension is tuned beautifully, and the sporty design turns heads everywhere. It's not all bad news. Step inside and the Accord genuinely embraces soft touch materials. A large infotainment screen and excellent seat comfort make long road trips enjoyable when the tech cooperates. The 2024 Accord earned a top safety pick plus from IIHS. That's the highest rating possible if safety is your top priority. The Accord does deliver strong crash test results. If you can get it at or near MSRP, you love sporty sedans, and you're comfortable with new tech growing pains, the 2024 Accord could be a great choice for you. One owner told us, quote, "I wish I had waited 6 months. Software bugs, dealer issues, and quality control problems made his first year of ownership very frustrating." But if you hate software bugs, want proven long-term reliability, or are on a tight budget, wait for the 2025 model. Let Honda fix the issues before you invest your money. The 2024 Honda Accord is a car with great potential, held back by real-world problems. It's a buy, but only if you do your homework, negotiate hard, and go in with open eyes. Comparison shot. Compare this to the Toyota Camry 2024. The Camry now offers all-wheel drive, smoother transmission, and arguably a quieter ride. The Accord is not the obvious winner anymore. So would you buy or avoid the 2024 Honda Accord? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest car reviews.